guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this Valentine's Day inspired look, and I really hope you guys like it. And give this video a like and subscribe down below, and follow my Instagram at makeupbyjamie5 to see more makeup ideas and photos if you aren't already. If you want to see this look and how I did it, then keep on watching. So now I'm going to be using the Essence primer and putting that all over my face.
I'm from the east side of America, where we choose pride over character, and we can pick sides, but this is us.
So now I'm just going to be using the e.l.f. Flawless Foundation and applying that all over the skin.
This is us, this is. I don't wanna waste no time, yeah. You ain't got a one-track mind, yeah. You're the only one who can up and run, leave me just as empty as the day you came. Since you've been gone, been dancing on my own. There's boys up in my, you're pushing, pulling away from you. I give and giving you take. Young blood, say want me out of your life, and I'm just a dead man walking tonight. Better now, you only say that cause I'm not around. They think we're just dropouts, living at our mom's house. Parents must be so proud, they know it all. Young blood, say want me back in your life, so
Now I'm going to be using the Morphe Full Coverage Concealer under my eyes, forehead, nose, and chin to highlight my face.
Out of your life, and I'm just a dead man walking tonight. Better now, you only say that cause I'm not around. They think we're just dropouts, living at our mom's house. Parents must be so proud, they know it all. Young blood, say want me.
So now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Setting Loose Powder to bake under our eyes, jawline, forehead, and nose to give the baking effect.
Back in your life, so I'm just a dead man crawling tonight. We're not in love, we share no story. Stand this, you're changing.
So now I'm using the Anastasia Brow Pomade in the shade Top to fill in and define my eyebrows.
I can't stand it, my heart can't take this damage. I'm a bad like Michael, can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. So come and ride with me, see where this thing goes, and only you know the strength of you.
So now I'm just going to wipe off the bake that we had put on earlier. I feel like it's kind of self-explanatory, but I just thought I should let you guys know anyways.
Cause I'm not around.
So now I'm using the Maybelline Master Contour Palette and contouring my face. So now I'm using the NARS blush and applying that to my face.
Do you love me?
Now going in with the James Charles X Morphe palette, I'm going to use the shade Face to highlight my face.
Remember guys like me to sundown.
So now I'm going to be applying some heart stickers around my face. I got mine at Target, but you can basically find heart stickers almost anywhere. And we're just going to start applying them, and you'll see why soon.
I need a girl like you. Tell me how's it feel sitting up there, feeling so high but too far away to hold me. Beauty turn into.
Using the shade You're Kidding from the James Charles X Morphe palette, I'm just going to place the shadow over the hearts.
Ashes, I know I come back. Young blood, say want me out of your life, and I'm just a dead man walking tonight.
Now I'm just getting some tweezers and peeling off the stickers.
Better now, you only say that cause I'm not around. They think we're just dry.
So now going in with a small crease blending brush, I'm going to take the shade You're Kidding, the same color we used before, and putting that in my crease.
Living at our mom's house, parents must be so proud, they know it.
So now going in with the shade Skip, which is a hot pink color, I'm going to put that on the very outer part of our crease and blend it into the shade You're Kidding to give it a nice ombre effect. So now I'm using the Morphe concealer again to make a half cut crease using a flat concealer brush, and then going in the shape of my eye to cut our crease.
Young blood, say want me back in your life, so I'm just a dead man crawling tonight.
Now using the brush that we used to apply the pink, I'm just going to use that brush to kind of blend from our shadow to our concealer to give it a nice blending effect. So now using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Mascara, I'm just going to apply that to my lashes to give it extra volume before we apply the false lashes.
Better now, you only say that 'cause I'm not around.
So now I'm using the Ardell Wispy Lashes and trying to apply them as close as I can to my lash line so it looks as natural as possible.
We're just dropouts, living at our mom's house. Parents must be so proud, they know it all.
Now for lips, I'm going to be using the Anastasia lip gloss in the shade Vintage.
Young blood, say want me back in your life, so a dead man crawling tonight.
Video a like and